What this program has done, it's offered me a lot of stability. I'd say that the Robotics and Communication Systems Engineering Technology program is a great program for anybody who loves working with their hands and solving complex issues. This hands-on experience is something that employers look for. They need that kind of experience.
The College of Technology is designed around a laboratory environment. The equipment that we have in the laboratory is industry standard equipment. The students are prepared for what the employers want when they graduate.
I love the non-repetitiveness of the program. The labs are different every day.
The best employees that we have here are from the robotics program. You have to have that work ethic to get through the program.
You can take any one of the 6 semesters and you can spend a lifetime specializing in just that, whether that's radio or video or microcontroller electronics. It is hard work, but it's very fulfilling and definitely very, very rewarding.
My roommate and I actually did one of the tours. It was an awesome experience. We really got to see everything that you can do with this degree. It offers a path for everybody. Everybody has somewhere to go. That's the cool part about it, is that you just learn a great set of skills to apply for your real life, and that's why I love it.